welcome back to a new video and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tlaki. So guys, today we are doing a Zara haul. As I stated previously, I am slowly, getting back into me. So I'm just slowly collecting pieces, that I want to wear, this summer. So, guys, can you hear that? Like my baby is crying. Guys, being a mom, oh my gosh. You can't do anything. The other day I was trying to have a meeting and my client was like, is that a baby's crying in the background? I'm like, And she's like, don't worry, don't stress. So anyway, guys, where was I? Yes, so I'm slowly just buying pieces that I want to wear this summer. For some odd reason, guys, my old clothes, I find them a little bit boring, but I feel that's because my style, it's not even that my style is different really. Like, I just feel because I haven't worn them in almost over a year. Obviously, 9 months of being pregnant, and after pregnancy I was on maternity leave for another 6 months. I wasn't dressing up, I wasn't going anywhere, I was in the house every day, all day, breastfeeding, looking after the baby. So I just find that those clothes are a little bit boring for me, but I know I'm not going to get rid of them. I'm still going to wear them. I'll probably do a decluttering video very soon, just so that I know that I'm keeping pieces that I actually like, that I enjoy, and that I will continue wearing. Anyway, guys, let's get into it. So first item that I got is this red dress. I'm actually going to return this, guys, because I got home, I realized when I opened my wardrobe, I realized that I have a red jumpsuit, this exact red. I have a jumpsuit, and I also have another red dress from Shein. So it's either I return this or I keep this and then I give away the Shein one. But the fabric of this, guys, also I feel it's just the quality of this is literally the same as the Shein one, except this obviously is quite expensive because it's Zara. It's just around 900. Oh my baby. So yeah, so this is the first item that I have, guys, but I'm certainly going to return it. Second item that I got, oh guys, these jeans. Can you guys see? Look at this. Oh, so gorgeous, so stunning. I haven't been, the last time I wore a pair of jeans was probably last year was 2023, in 2022. And last time I wore a pair of denims was in 2022. So now we are in 2024, and yeah, I haven't even tried on the pair of jeans that I have in my wardrobe, because I'm not sure if they still fit or not. So yeah, I just got this pair just to keep me going, while working on my weight loss journey. So, and another dress, guys. Thought this would be so beautiful for going out. I need to get my life in order. So it has that military green, super beautiful dress. I love it. Quite short, so I tried on the medium size. The medium size was it could fit, but the length, obviously because I'm tall, it was just a little shorter, and so I had to go for a large. But the nice thing is, even though the large is slightly bigger, but because the dress comes with a belt, it works. It works perfectly because it comes with a belt, so you can always just cinch your waist in just to give it a bit of definition. And then I also saw this, I got this beautiful jacket. I think I will be returning this certainly. It's like a crop jacket, has beautiful, do you see what it looks like? I think it's just beautiful really, but I think I'm gonna return it. I'm not really feeling it, and I have something similar. I think I have something similar in my wardrobe, so it's pointless of me to keep this, to buy or keep the same things that I already have. I'm trying to get rid of, excuse me, I don't want to be a hoarder. And I also got this. This is like a skirt, pants at the back and skirt in front, so it's a little skirt. So this I'm certainly keeping. And then I also got, oh guys, one of the most beautiful dresses. Oh guys, this is so stunning. This dress, guys. Yeah, one of this, ne? This dress, guys, looks beautiful. This is very beautiful. I'm just going to be inserting pictures of the models, guys, because I don't think I'm gonna have time to try on all these clothes. I'm filming from a very small bedroom. So in this bedroom, the bed is already like the bed has filled up this entire space, so I can't even, yeah, I can't I can't do like, you know, mod shots for you guys. And if I go into the other bedroom, my baby is now on a crawling stage, like, you know, he's up and down, so that also won't work. So yeah, and then I've got these pants, I'm certainly sending them back as well. I'm on the market for like a pair of white pants, but now that I'm looking at these, I'm like, no, I need something linen-ish. I want them like, you know, white linen pants, but I'll actually decide if I'm keeping them or not. But yeah, but so far I think I'm set on sending them back. And this set, I saw this set online, so it's just a matching, it's a skirt and a matching top. Our Christmas party is happening in, so I think I'm going to wear something like this. I'll probably do this with the Steve Maidens, the red Steve Maidens, depending on the theme. I want to see what everyone's vibe is, because I don't want to be the only one wearing heels there. So otherwise I'll still do this, like, you know, with just some slides. I'll see what works, but I'm certainly keeping this. Oh, this is so stunning. And I love minis. I love mini skirts, I love shorts, I love mini dresses. So this is certainly so me. And I also got this beautiful dress. So this dress is quite short. I know my mom is going to complain if she sees me wearing this, but my hubby is certainly not going to complain, because, you know, he knows that I love, like, you know, minis or short dresses and shorts in general, and he says they always look good on me. I love the quality of this. The quality is super stunning. So I think, like, you know, this for me, honestly, I plan on just, you know, wearing this just, you know, casual vibes, running errands with sneakers, or with just, you know, some slides on a more cold day, throw on a trench. I think it'll look very nice. I didn't buy this for going out, like literally just to move around, like, you know, casual vibes. Doesn't this give you cult Gaia vibes? Got this. I'm not sure if I should keep this, guys, honestly, because I'm like, why am I buying bags? What am I gonna do with all these bags that I'm buying? But also, do you guys think like I'm just, you know, buying things because I'm trying to close that void that I the fact that I haven't been shopping, I haven't shopped in over a year? I think that's what I'm doing, because why am I? But honestly, this called Gaia, I feel like, you know, for evenings, or, you know, if you're attending an event and you just don't want to carry, if you're wearing a beautiful dress, like a bit of a glamorous, you know, an event where you'll be wearing like a dress, see-throughish dress, or an evening dress, you can't be doing a Louis Vuitton with an evening gown, guys. Honestly, it doesn't even look nice. Like, imagine a Louis Vuitton while you have like, you know, while you've been invited to a gala dinner, like, unless if it's like a plain LV bag, like an LV Capucine, like, you know, as long as there isn't any sort of like print or monogram, I think it will go well. When I got this, honestly, I had that in mind, that I don't have anything that's super plain apart from that mango dress. I mean, the mango bag that comes in burgundy. So that is why I thought, let me just add this for those days, you know. So you just basically, this is how it goes. Oof. I think it's so stunning. It does not fit a phone. No, it doesn't. Yeah, no, it doesn't fit a phone at all. So if obviously you're taking this out, you're going to have to hold your phone by hand and throw everything else in here, unless you use a smaller phone. I use iPhone 14 Pro, so it doesn't fit in here. So yeah, guys, I think this is just so stunning. It's beautiful. Called Gaia. I'm a huge fan of Called Gaia, honestly, but the price point, the price tag, because Called Gaia bags, honestly, I feel like, you know, they are occasional bags. They are not an everyday bag, and that is why I don't see myself investing or buying, you know, Called Gaia bags. For now, I'll just get them from Zara, but this certainly, I'm not regretting adding this to my bag collection, honestly. It's just something different, you know, something very different. And another one that I've added to called Gaia Vibe still, but also this gives me Bottega Veneta, that bag, I forgot what it's called. It gives me that sort of a vibe as well. So just something different, and also for evening wear where you just don't want to do logos or prints, where you don't want to, you know, be carrying a YSL bag or a Louis Vuitton bag with loads of monogram or prints. So I think these two bags, the reason I bought these two bags is just for that, really. You know, the fact that, you know, you don't want to, sometimes you just don't want to be carrying logos, and unfortunately I can't afford LV Capucine, I can't afford your Chanel classic bags, you know, your classic flaps, you know, the bags that are very understated, that don't have, like, you know, prints happening. So if I had, like, you know, those sort of bags, honestly, I wouldn't bother, I wouldn't care about these. But anyway, so the strap is quite long, comes with a long strap, but I just sort of, like, you know, shortened it. You know, I just shortened it because I wanted to see how I would wear it, like, you know, shortened. So yeah, so there we go. Stunning. And I also got these slides. It's summer, obviously. You know, I know these have been in for years and years now. I wanted the brown ones, but they didn't have, and I saw the cream white and I thought it was so stunning, and it actually it'll go so beautifully with this blue. If I end up not wearing heels for the Christmas party at work, I will certainly just do these slides. And also, lastly, I also got, look at these guys, these are so stunning. So I've worn my Jimmy Choo, yeah, see, I've worn those shoes to death, and honestly, when I saw these, I was like, I need to give those a little bit of a break. They are buggered, and these sort of, like, you know, give me a similar feel, a similar vibe, because they are also beige, but it's like a lighter beige, like, you know, between off-white and cream, actually, between off-white and cream. So these super comfortable, the heel height is perfect, love them. So at least now I have a bit of an alternative to my Jimmy Choos, because guys, those shoes, those Jimmys, yeah, they've seen better days, I promise you. I also got, like, I'll just insert a picture here, I don't have them, they're in the car. I got this black Mules as well. They also come in brown. Super obsessed with them. I love them. They're super comfortable. I wanted to get the brown color as well, but I was like, no, let me just chill, because I wasn't sure how comfortable they would be. But yeah, I've been walking in these, I've worn them, but that is why they're in the car, because I wear them, like, you know, almost every day now. So yeah guys, that's all I got from Zara. The stuff are still available online and in store, so yeah, just check them out. Or also just I'm going to put, like, you know, links below. My battery is about to die, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell as well to be alerted every time I post a new video. Mwah! Stay blessed, guys.